outside on the porch, but it's too cold to do that right now because they'll just freeze like almost in an instant. It's that cold out this morning. I'll show you a look at our Plymouth meeting camera behind me. You can see the sun. It's beginning to rise, but it is a cold morning. In fact, we are dealing with more dangerous cold across the region as we wake up this Sunday. Let me show you some numbers. 6 degrees right now in Philadelphia. Not quite a record low temperature. In fact, just 2 degrees above the current standing record low, but it still has time to drop a little bit, so keeping an eye on that one. In Atlantic City, we have broken a record low temperature, checking in now right around 2 degrees, tied a record low in Wilmington, checking in right around 3 currently. It's 2 in Reading, 0 currently in Lancaster, 3 in Allentown, 6 degrees below 0 up in the Poconos. We have the wind on top of that. Now, it's nothing compared to the wind that we dealt with this morning, or yesterday morning, but it's just enough wind this morning to make it feel even colder outside. With that combination of cold air and wind, we're talking wind chill values below 0. Once again, that's why we have wind chill advisories in place for places like Philadelphia. Current wind chill right around 3 below, 6 below in Wilmington, 8 below in Millville, 9 below down the shore, 8 below in Allentown, 25 degrees below 0 in the Poconos. All right, so we have wind chill warnings right now in place in the Poconos through 10 o'clock this morning. Elsewhere, those wind chill advisories I was talking about, and those are also in effect until 10 for below 0 wind chills that we're going to be dealing with in most areas. Now, heading into the afternoon, we're looking at highs once again, teens and 20s generally across the region, but less wind, so it's not going to feel as brutal outside. And beyond today, we really break out of this bitter cold. It's going to come to an end. We'll make it above freezing heading into Monday. In fact, temperatures are going to be hovering right around freezing for pretty much the entire day, but I do think we'll make it to 33. We'll see some problems with that, though, and we'll talk about why. Up to 45 on Tuesday, and then as we head into Thursday, 51 degrees, really breaking free of this bitter, harsh cold. Storm Scan 3 shows that we have clear skies overhead, and also with the lighter winds, that has helped to allow temperatures to drop even colder compared to what we dealt with yesterday morning. Zooming out to the west, though, on Storm Scan 3, we're tracking our next system. This is going to move in along with some milder air compared to what we have been dealing with, and that's going to spell some problems, especially as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here on future weather. Notice those clouds on the increase overnight. We'll have some clouds around throughout the day on Monday as well. And then heading into Monday afternoon, enough warm air sneaking in here that will deal with a wintry mix, I think, right along I-95. Here we are at 4 o'clock, and we could be dealing with a wintry mix in the form of some freezing rain as well. And that could seriously mean trouble on the roadways because the road temperature's so cold, especially to any untreated surface. Dealing with snow, though, up into Allentown, Reading, Mount Pocono. I don't think those places are going to be able to break out of that freezing temperature as we head into the start of the work week. Now, not forecasting a ton in the way of accumulation. In fact, less than 1/10 of an inch of ice, but it only takes just a little bit. With temperatures so cold, the ground so cold, any untreated surface will become very dangerous in just a matter of seconds. So we'll have to be watching this very closely as we head into the start of the work week. But beyond there, temperatures continue to rise. Tuesday, 45 degrees, 40 on Wednesday. As we head into Thursday, rain possible. We'll be tracking our next system. That could bring us rain Thursday through Saturday. In fact, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, but jam because temperatures well above freezing. We are just talking rain. Back